In the previous video on the knees, we explored their meaning and began to awaken awareness. Once awareness opens, the story begins to speak. It becomes the doorway through which we can now dive deeper into the emotions that may have become held here, and in the question that helps us understand why. Beneath every subtle movement, a memory stirs. The knees remember the moments we stood strong, the times we couldn't bend, and the times we bowed to surrender. This is where awareness transforms into feeling, where we listen to what the knees have been trying to say to us. Not to fix or to change, but to understand, to sense how every ache, every lock, every tremble carries a message about control, surrender, and trust. So let's begin this post-awareness phase where understanding and awareness becomes feeling, and the feeling becomes release. Now we have felt how each subtle shift has revealed a story. The left knee speaks to emotional receptivity. The right knee speaks to the struggles, your will. Our inner knee speaks of alignment, your inner truth. And the outer knee reveals your negotiation with the outer world. Knees that lock themselves, they tell of control. The knees that wobble or shaken tell of uncertainty. And the knees that ache in stillness, they tell that you withheld movement. The knees often store unprocessed experiences of weight, burden, and surrender. They store our fear of submission. The knees are tied to power and humility. For those who were forced to obey, punished for resisting, or shamed for needing, bending became unsafe. The body learned, if I bow, I will lose myself. The result is tension and rigidity, knees that won't yield. We also store the fear of collapsing or fear of losing control. The knees hold us up, literally and emotionally. Those who had to stay strong for everyone else often carry survival vows here. I can't fall apart. The knees ache for or buckle under invisible pressure, whispering, what if I can't hold it anymore? Before we move into release, pause a minute and ask your body this. What are you afraid to lose? What are you afraid to lose if you were to bend, to soften, to surrender? And what are you protecting so hard? And why? In the language of somatic mapping, the knees belong to the layer of our existence, the first layer of our psychosomatic being. This layer is all about feeling safe in the world, trusting life, and knowing that we are supported as we take each step forward. The fear of losing something, your control, your dignity, your safety, is what keeps the body from moving freely. But when we release control, we soften, we often discover we don't lose ourselves. We find a deeper strength that was waiting just underneath the surface. Your knees aren't stubborn, they're guardians. They've been protecting you until bending feels safe again. And now, maybe it's now the time to teach them that softness is safe. So, as we now move into the body, I invite you to bring this awareness with you. Not to fix, not to judge, but just to listen. To feel what the knees are saying through their sensations, through their weight, through their breath, through their capacity to bend and to hold. Let's begin. Bring your feet flat in front of you and let your knees naturally fall outward. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, feel the weight of your legs sinking into the floor. Notice any tension, tightness, or resistance around your knees. These are the places where fear of losing control and stubbornness might be stored. extend one leg forward, strengthening the knee. Reach with your leg so far as you can and hold it. And bend it again, drawing the foot back under you. You don't have to lift your foot up. Just do it so minimalistic possible and slide your foot over the ground. We will do this for 1 minute. Move slowly, feeling the muscle around the knee joint lengthen and contract. Now extend, straighten the knee, reach so far as you can, hold it for a moment, and bend it again, drawing the foot back underneath you. And again. Do it slowly and so minimalistic possible. And switch to the other knee. Extend the leg forward, straightening the knee, reach as far as you can, hold it there for a moment, and bend it again, so minimalistic possible, with your foot over the ground. Now sit with your feet flat, your knees bent, and hold the both knees together and allow your both knees to gently fall outward to one side, like a rocking motion. Slowly rock your knees from side to side, like waves moving in a shallow river. Imagine the motion is washing away the tension and rigidity. Breathe slowly as you do the exercise. Exhale as your knees move outward, and inhale as they move to the center. Now keep your knees slightly apart. Gently flex your knees toward your chest and place your hand gently on the knees. Begin to draw small circles with both knees together. First clockwise for 1 minute. Move slowly, intentionally. Feel the joints and the surrounding muscles. Make the circles a little bit larger as you feel comfortable, and noticing the subtle shifts in tension. And now move the knees in the other direction, still slowly at your own pace, making small circles with both knees together, and then make the circles a little bit by bit larger as you feel comfortable, and notice the subtle shifts in tension. Now go in a sit position on the floor. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall outward. Hold your feet or your ankles, and now instead of forcing the stretch, gently bounce or pulse the knees. Small rhythmic movements. This increases circulation in the knees and in the inner thighs. Move with ease and not with effort. And remember to keep breathing. Deep breaths in and out. Now take a deep breath in and let the exhale melt through your knees down to the earth. The knees remind us that strength isn't found of rigidity, but in our capacity to bend without breaking. That surrender isn't weakness, it's wisdom. When you learn to soften the knees, you soften life itself. You remember how to move forward, not from control, but from trust. And when you're ready, slowly come back to the presence. Feel your knees again, the warmth, the pulse, the subtle relief. And thank yourself for showing up, for choosing awareness over avoidance, softness over control. I will see you in the next video.